Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the phone's dialer and let me show you how to do it by using the secret code. Let's use this code *06#. As you can see, IMEI and serial number just pops up in front of you. Tap OK to close this window. Now let me show you how to do it by using settings. So let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and choose here about phone. So here let's find and select the status, and here you can read the serial number, and you can also tap on IMEI information and read those numbers right here. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.